Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to upload files to Drive from Gmail. So guys, at first you have to go to your Drive. Now tap on New, tap on Upload. Now you can select your drives from here. So I am selecting this one. And after uploading your drive, you have to tap on the three dot icon from the PDF, tap on share. Now you have to enter here the Gmail account and send it. Now I can tap on the three dot icon, tap on manage access, go to restricted and select anyone with the link. Now go back, again tap on the three dot icon, tap on send a copy. Now select Gmail. Now enter here the Gmail account and just send it, and then the drive will upload it or received by the Gmail account or Gmail ID that whom you want to share. So guys, that's it. This is very easy to do. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.